The QUBE Hotel in Chuansha Road in Pudong in Shanghai is conveniently located for those who want to explore the city. It is located immediately next to a metro station on Line 2 that runs from Shanghai International Pudong Airport all the way into the city centre. It's also located immediately next to a fabulous shopping mall and is only 18 to 20 minutes drive by taxi to Shanghai Disneyland International Resort. This makes it a good base to explore the fabulous city of Shanghai, and it's easy just to jump on the metro and pop into the city centre and enjoy the fabulous sights and sounds and culinary delights that the city has to offer. But it's also located just a few minutes walk from Chuansha ancient water town too, and this area is a real delight that's often overlooked by tourists. This has bamboo groves to explore, ancient temples and ancient city walls. It's a real authentic traditional delight. So what are the rooms like?
Hello, come on in and welcome to room 1002 in the QUBE Hotel here in Pudong in Shanghai. And let me show you around this nicely spec'd room. So come on through. First of all, you'll notice the space. It's actually a very spacious room, and we're up on the 10th floor. We have quite a nice outlook here. We're overlooking the shopping mall down there, so we're really immediately next to a large shopping mall, which is really convenient. And there's sites across the city and across to a temple over there as well. And we're not that far from Shanghai Airport. The room itself is relatively well decorated. There's a nice full-length mirror here. And one of the nice features of the room that strikes you as soon as you come in is you've got a nice area to sit and work. So if you're here on business, what a great space to get your laptop open and get your work done so that you can enjoy the facilities in the hotel. And there's some fantastic plug sockets down there. Again, they seem to cover for a variety of different plug types, everything from obviously the local Chinese plugs, but also catering for US and EU plugs as well as UK plugs as well, by the looks of those. Again, you've got more sockets by the side of the bed, and the bed itself is huge. It's massive, and the mattress is really soft and feels very comfortable indeed. Okay, moving round, we've got a modestly sized screen TV with some very deep drawers underneath that you can put stuff in. There's two of those. One thing you may notice as you come round is that you can see into the bathroom in there, and we'll go into the bathroom in a minute. That's an unusual feature of this room, I think it's fair to say, but don't fear not, you do get your privacy, and we'll show you how. Air conditioning, nice bottles of water, tea and coffee making facilities here with English breakfast tea, thank you very much. We also have a fridge in there to keep your medicines cool or any drinks that you bring back to the room. Another full-length mirror here. We like the full-length mirrors. And then we've got some pretty generous cupboard space here, and they've given you an iron and an ironing board, a couple of gowns, a safe, smoke hoods for escape. We like that. That seems to be a feature in hotels. Some drawers and some slippers as well. So plenty of space to hang up your clothes if you're here for more than an evening like we are. Let's take you into the bathroom. And as you can see in the bathroom from outside, you can actually see into the bathroom from the bedroom area as well. And that's because we've got a large window here. Okay, as unusual as that is, there is a blind here to give you that privacy if you need it. It's a shower above the bath with a shower curtain. You have to pull the shower out of the recess in the bath and hang it in the shower clip there so that you can take your shower. Nice sink, good spacious mirror, shaving socket there, and a shaving mirror on the wall as well. And then the toilet roll and toilet here. Not too much toilet roll, they're a bit sort of like lean on the toilet roll provision, but generally there's enough for us for the day. So, what do we think? And given the price of the hotel, we think it's pretty fairly priced. It is a bit tired in places, but it is quite a comfortable room. And I think when it was new, this would have been a very luxurious room when it was first sort of put into use. It's probably due a little bit of refurb, but more than adequate for us. And as we're only here for a night before we go back to the UK, this suits our needs perfectly.
We found breakfast to be adequate, and there is a Starbucks coffee house also on the premises. There is an on-site restaurant, but if you want Western flavours, then there's a McDonald's immediately next to the hotel. Or if you want authentic local flavours, then over in the shopping mall is a wide selection of restaurants to choose from. And we have to say that we found this food was not only low priced, but was absolutely delicious. And this hotel served us well and helped us explore more of the fabulous city of Shanghai.